So imagine this. Imagine you've got the perfect vehicle. It's the perfect color. The style is perfect. The infotainment and the technology is like above and beyond what you can imagine. But you don't like the CEO.
Would you get rid of your vehicle for that reason?
I own a Model Y and I'm getting rid of it. Elon Musk went too far.
Bamboozled.
Bro, stop it. No one is immune from political decisions for or against. Listen, black men, don't let my opinion mess up your content money. However, between us, I know you aren't that stupid. How you earn your money is between you and your bills. Can't be me though.
Hey, it's MacVern. Now, if you are a regular to my channel, you know my channel is deeply rooted in travel. And sometimes that consists of traveling in my Tesla. And all that comes along with it also. And what I mean by that is, the maintenance, the range, or, the infotainment or something like that, or whatever. And even the Tesla supercharging infrastructure. So if you've watched my previous video, my last video, you know that the comment section got pretty heated. Now, the video was about the Birmingham, Alabama infrastructure, the Tesla supercharging infrastructure. And one of my subscribers, he was talking about me. He was like, why you always say Alabama at the end? We know you from Birmingham. But it's just a habit. But the video was about the infrastructure in Birmingham and how Tesla was putting all these these supercharging locations in different areas in the Birmingham surrounding area. And I was just asking a question like, why would Tesla be doing this? And especially for this one particular area where there was nothing. I mean, it was like desolate. So I was just asking, the viewers, why would Tesla do this? And, Tesla is up to something. That's just what I believe. So again, the comment section got really, really, heated because of this one particular comment from this, one of my viewers. He ended up, making a comment, and a lot of people responded to this particular comment that he said, but he was sharing his opinion, in which, again, I have no problem with anybody sharing their opinion. I embrace it. Share as many opinions as you want, as long as it doesn't, you're not talking about anybody, or you talking about, hurting somebody, talking derogatively about anybody, so again, share your comments. Cool. That's fine. But his comments, were a little, interesting. And I'll read the comment, and it reads this way right here. He says this right here. He says, I own a Model Y and I'm getting rid of it. Elon Musk went too far. And we see who he is right now. We see who he is now. And so after I read that comment, it kind of made me, think or whatever. And, of course, the comment section got heated after that. People were asking, well, what did Elon Musk do? What did, how did he go far? I mean, too far. What did he go too far in doing? And the guy never really kind of answered it. But, these kind of questions were popping up in the comments. How did he go too far? Do you still own the vehicle? Do you like the vehicle? What happened to the, all these particular questions start coming up or whatever. And I answered this way right here. I responded this way. I'll put it that way. I responded with this. I said, interesting. I'm really not into the politics of, if that's what you're referring to. But did he, meaning Elon, do something with the vehicle or something? So did Tesla push out a, update or something? Because that's why I was genuinely asking that question. I was genuinely asking the question, did Elon or Tesla do something to the vehicle? Because everybody know I drive a Model S. And he was referring to his Model Y that he owns. And sometimes if you're not a Tesla vehicle owner, sometimes the Tesla will push out an update, and these updates are, different from vehicle to vehicle sometimes, especially in the older Model S's. They'll push out a, update, and it will differ from like a Model 3 or a Model Y or a Model X. It would differ from these particular vehicles from vehicle to vehicle. But again, I was asking for that particular reason because I was wondering, did Tesla push out an update that bothered his range, messed with his range or something, or did it, mess with his ludicrous mode, or whatever it may be. Did it do something to make the vehicle act funny or something like that? So that's genuinely why I was asking. But this guy he kind of responded in a certain way, and I ain't gonna really get into all that or whatever. But I am gonna read one of his responses, because he said this right here. A lot of the people were asking, well, did the vehicle, you still like the vehicle, or what did the vehicle do to you? And he responded this way right here. He said, true, I don't have a problem with my Model Y. It's been one of the best cars I've owned, but I can't go around wearing white hooded robes because I like the way the fabric feels. He said, I can't go around wearing white hooded robes because I like the way the fabric feels. Now, I think everybody can kind of, assume what he was talking about. He can't go around wearing white hooded robes. And I'll share my opinion about, what I feel about how, this whole where this whole conversation is going later on in the video. But he was saying, I can't wear a white hooded robe because I like the way the fabric feels. And so that's basically kind of saying, okay, I can't drive this Tesla. I love the vehicle. I like it. I love everything about it, according to him. So I'm sure he liked the technology. He probably liked how it drove. He probably liked the autopilot, liked the self-driving, all that stuff. He liked it. He liked all that. But because of something that out of his, from his comment, something that Elon or Tesla did, I'm not driving this vehicle anymore. I'm going to get rid of this vehicle. So basically, again, because of the opinion or the values or the, ideals or, some sort of political affiliation, he's saying, because Elon is said this, did this, or whatever it may be, whatever his thought process was, I can't wear this. I can't drive this vehicle no more. I got to get rid of it. And so maybe he was thinking, hey, I'm advertising for Elon. And I don't agree with what Elon said. Because again, of course, what the white hooded robe represents. So why would he wear a white hooded robe? And I get it in this current society. I get it because of, all of what's going on. I get it because again, I'm an African American individual. I'm a black individual, black man. So I get all that, but now I disagree in this way here. I disagree because I don't believe Elon represent what this vehicle, is all about. I just put it that way. Yeah, so we're going to stop washing our clothes or washing our body with soap, or because we don't agree with the maker of the soap. I mean, I get you can go buy some soap somewhere else, but I'm just trying to make a point. Because I don't like what the CEO of a company said, I'm not going to use this refrigerator, or I'm not going to use a stove, or I'm not going to sleep on this mattress, because I'm sure that there are some people out there that you're sleeping on something, you're cooking on something, you got your beverages in, a fridge, that some CEO says something that you probably don't agree with. So again, are we just going to get rid of what what we're using currently just to, because we don't like what somebody said? I don't think that's ideal. But now don't get me wrong. I do not agree with all the ideals and all the opinions of Elon. And of course, what is going on right now. And so since I'm saying that, I'm going to go ahead and share what I feel. Okay. I feel that because Elon is associated with our with upcoming president, that a lot of people didn't like that. Or a lot of people don't like that because he's fellowshipping or partnershiping, whatever it may be, whatever is Elon, however he's associated with our upcoming president. People don't like that. And people, they can, you have your opinion. You can feel how you feel. But again, I don't think that represents what this whole topic is about. I'm going to get rid of my vehicle because Elon is affiliated with this person, or Elon said this, or I think Elon is this type of individual. Because this is how I feel. Okay, I feel this way right here, that who Elon Musk is, or who Elon is, whatever he thinks about, certain things, his ideas, his politics, his opinions, his whatever. I don't think that represents the car that we drive or the vehicle that we're driving. Because I believe this way, right? I believe that the vehicle that we're driving represents the hundreds of thousands of people who are internally working for Tesla, not Elon. So I believe this vehicle, it represents the janitor who's sweeping in there. I believe it represents, the person who's, screwing in the nuts and bolts, the person who's getting their hand greasy and dirty each and every day, or the person who's working at the supercharging department. So this is who I believe this vehicle is representing. Now, Elon has his own, opinions about certain stuff or whatever. And yes, he is the CEO of this particular company, Tesla. But again, I don't think that the vehicle, that Elon represents that vehicle. Because Elon probably ain't never touched anything in that particular vehicle. So that's how I feel about, that particular situation. And even more, again, like I was saying, just because, a CEO or some person who is in charge, they say certain things. So we're going to get rid of everything that, you're probably going to have to get rid of everything in your house. Because at some point, somebody says something, or somebody represents something that you don't, that you might not like. And so that's just how I feel about that particular situation. So this person who commented, in the comment section, and I'm going to say this right here. I'm going to go ahead and read this part right here. He also said this. He was responding to me. And he responded to me this way right here. He said, listen, black man, don't let my opinion, which you asked for, mess with your content money. And I'm like, what content money? I ain't even monetized, so I'm like, what content money I'm getting? But don't let this mess with your content money. Okay, I ain't gonna let it mess with it. However, between us, I know you aren't that stupid. Wow. Okay. How you earn your money is between you and your bills. Can't be me though. So this is how this guy responded to me, and I wrote a long, response to him or whatever. And I'm not going to get into that because that's not what we're, even talking about. But again, my thing is this right here. How did we get to this particular point when we're talking about the vehicles? So again, my question to you all: should we as vehicle owners, because of how a particular CEO feels, or a particular affiliation with a political party, whatever it may be, his opinion, his ideals, should we as EV owners get rid of our vehicles because of that? Not even EV owners, vehicle owners in general, whether it's ICE, whether it's, EV, whether it's a Tesla, whether it's a, Ford Mach-E, whatever it is. Should we get rid of our vehicles because we don't agree with a stance of, some particular person? Now, again, this is how I feel. This is another way I feel. I feel that this particular individual, and myself included, my vehicle is paid for, so if you want to say, hey, Elon already got our money, if you want to say it that way. He's already got our money. And so why would you get rid of something that you are enjoying, that you enjoy? Maybe you're saying, hey, well, I'm advertising for Tesla when I drive around in my Tesla. Or, I can't, like he said, I can't put the hooded roller on because I like the way it feels. It's just my convictions just won't let me do it. And if that's so cool, I I have no qualms with any person, what they do. We're all adults, I'm sure, watching this, and you feel free to do what you want to do. But again, I just say that, hey, I mean, you've already, Elon already got your money. Unless you're leasing or something like that or whatever. But, Elon already got your money, if you want to say it that way. So why would you get rid of a vehicle that you love? I'm sure you, like I said, love the autopilot, the self-driving, all that type of stuff. Why would you get rid of your vehicle that you've already paid for because of what somebody else said? Or a stance that somebody else standing on? I just don't agree with that. That's just me. That's just my opinion. So that's how I feel. So I've shared my opinion on that. And that's just what I wanted to just kind of do. I wanted to come on here and just share that and just see how you guys feel about that. Do you think that, we should get rid of our vehicles? Again, I've said this about 3 times. Should we get rid of our vehicles because we don't like the stance of a CEO? Should we get rid of, our couch or our desk or, some lights because we don't agree with what the CEO or some particular person in power says or did? Just because Elon is, holding hands with our upcoming president, just because he's, partnering with them or fellowship with them or, or whatever you feel. You might think he's, affiliated with something more than, our president. So, but still, should you get rid of a vehicle that you love for that reason? And so that's it. You guys put in the comments how you feel. Again, this probably be the only type of video, because again, like I said, I don't really get into the political stuff. This probably be the only video. I'm sorry. I'm getting tongue tied. Only video on this channel that you'll probably see this way. But that's it again. And I want you guys to watch this video right here, because this is the video that I'm talking about. The video that, I was talking about the infrastructure in Birmingham that started this whole thing. You can watch this right here. Or if you've already watched this video, watch this right here for me. So watch this one or watch this one. Thank you guys, but that's it. Listen, I'm out of here and I'll see you guys on the next video.